The Marston Mat. This simple plank of steel in many ways represents why America won the war. There is little that is romantic or glorified about these planks, more properly called pierced steel planking, or PSP. The name Marston comes from a small town in North Carolina, where these planks were first tested operationally during Army maneuvers in November of 1941. The standard World War II Marston Mat, or M8 landing mat, was a 66-pound, 10-foot by 15-inch plank. Their design was not beyond what any other nation was capable of. What is amazing about these steel planks is that America manufactured 2 million tons worth during the war, at the cost of over $200 million at the time. The Marston Mat is a testament to American production power, the sweat of the steelworkers building them, and the men installing them over ice, in the hot tropic sun, and under fire. These humble planks allowed America to explode its air power across the globe at breakneck speeds. As America entered the war, air bases were needed everywhere. Places like the Aleutian Islands off Alaska, Greenland, and across dozens of islands in the Pacific. Marston Mats allowed Army engineers and Seabees, or construction battalions, to build runways at speeds never before seen, and with minimal equipment. Marston matting can be laid at 125 square feet per man-hour, allowing entire runways and road systems to be created overnight. They could further be used to reinforce bunkers. There is nothing overly special about the design of Marston Mats. Other countries experimented with similar ideas. The planks are made of steel, though there was an aluminum version made in limited numbers during the war, but sparingly due to the high demand for the material. The planks feature many punched holes. This helped to keep them light. It also helped with leveling the planks and facilitating drainage. The planks have hooks along one side and slots on the other, allowing the planks to be connected. The short edges were cut straight and the planks were laid staggered, so each plank was reinforced by several. A layer of aggregate or soil could be packed over the matting to further strengthen a runway and keep it cool in the sun. For instances where the planks are going to be used for longer periods of time, they could be welded together. The planks were light enough that they could be transported by land, sea, or air. A C-47 could fly onto a dirt runway, drop off a load of planks, and return to see the end product. Of course, what is more impressive than the planks were the men installing them. On many occasions, Seabees would install these planks under fire, even engaging in the battle themselves. These construction forces were often called upon to build and fight. Commonly in the Pacific Theater and Europe, troops and equipment would only successfully make it inland with the help of Seabees laying Marston Mat roads. These roads were built right over wet sand and slippery volcanic earth. Seabees and Marston Mats allowed runways to be immediately built on islands even before they were fully captured. This gave aircrew emergency landing strips, saving many lives. American forces could capture a bombed-out Japanese airstrip and quickly repair it with Marston matting. The matting also allowed quick repair of airstrips under fire. Sections could be removed and replaced after taking damage. Manufacturing feats like the humble Marston Mat can't be overstated. While Japan and Germany were struggling to keep roads and runways intact in their home countries, America was shipping roads and runways across the globe to Europe and Asia. After the war, there was a great surplus of Marston matting. Farmers could purchase the planks for fencing. In the Philippines, a significant amount was used as construction material to rebuild cities. The material can be found anywhere America flew planes during the war. Here's a photo from a farm in Normandy where planking has been repurposed to store empty wine bottles. The concept of Marston matting is still used today and has been improved upon several times since World War II for use with larger aircraft and helicopters. Alright, I'm Johnny. Thank you for watching. I hope this video on planks didn't leave you too bored, but sometimes it's these lesser appreciated sections of history that are the most interesting. Anyway, do take care and have a nice rest of your day.